So what I do is, sorry, I'm in my original color. I'm going to make that final stitch up to the last step. So here, I'm not going to complete the stitch. And instead of only drawing through the new color, what I'm going to do, and you can see that I'm kind of using my pinky behind my work to just snag that tail there so it doesn't just go flying all over the place. What I do is I hold both yarns together and draw them through the final stitch together. Then I drop the original color, just move that aside, and only continue with the new color. So then I chain 1, 2, 3, and you can see what I mean by making it a tiny bit messy is that right here, you can see a little bit of that purple, the original color. And what I tend to do too is I tug on it and it kind of disappears. And so I like to do that because it adds a tiny bit more security when you change colors. So that's it.